decent. Give it a good head shake.
Yeah.
Watch the leader. He's a Laker! Woo! Not a bad one. First lake trout of the day, guys. Moosehead Lake.
Awesome.
Probably an 18-incher. Well, 17 or so. We'll get the tape measure out.
Awesome. First fish of the day. Hey.
Oh, I'm checking out.
Okay. Awesome. We've been here for what, about 3 hours now. First flag, first fish of the day on Moosehead Lake, Maine, if you don't know where that is. So, yeah, awesome. So what we came after is a lake trout. Beautiful.
Oh, let's see here. 17 and a half?
Yeah.
Yeah, say 17 and a half. Beautiful. We're gonna keep that one for the frying pan tonight.
Awesome. First fish. There we go. Good way to start the day off, guys.
He was booking.
Awesome. Hopefully we can get on several more of those. The spot we are at, we've never been to, so we're kind of like, it's out of the wind. So, who knows if it's any good? But got a fish? That's the end of the second flag. What you get? Hey!
Woo! Just followed up a cast. Just a little guy.
Nice. Little guy. Okay. Second fish. One lake trout, one cuss. Because if you don't know what one of those fish are, a cuss is.
Cusk is the only species of freshwater cod.
Yeah. Awesome.
Get a lot bigger than that.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
It got a little more windy. We had to put up another support line if the side kept caving in on us. Got the thread. The wind flag's back up.
Moving in over where there's no wind.
Yeah. This wind is a little miserable. Guys, one thing for sure, if you're gonna be out on a brutal day like this, there's two things you should have. A pop-up or a shack of some kind. And a heater of some kind. Cause it's miserable out there. It was actually, I'll be honest, it was actually quite decent out before the wind came. But now the wind's here and now it's just miserable. But it's life. You don't get the perfect conditions for lily, holly, anything you want to do. If you plan on doing something outside, count on it not being the perfect weather rise for it. Yeah. Well guys, we're getting ready to pack up. It's 3:30 about now. Getting packed up. The video is not ending here though. It's still crazy out. Still some fishing time yet. So I'm gonna switch over for the remainder of the day until we get back to the truck. I don't like to do this, but going for on the GoPro because it's getting nasty out there. A little too nasty for my likings to have my Canon camera out in this. It's sus. Winter fishing, ice fishing is the roughest season I put my camera through. And what's out there right now, I don't really want to put my camera through it. So GoPro is going on. So hopefully I can make it back. Until then, I'll see you guys at the truck. Hope you don't get anything.